You always want to make sure that everybody's as safe as possible. That is the #1 priority.
One of the challenges our current pool faces is the width of the pool lanes. Not only does it affect competition and races, but it also affects practice. When I first started, we had swimmers running into each other, hitting each other. We actually had to lengthen swim practice and, divide up how many kids could be in the lanes.
One of the big challenges is just that we can't use our lifeguarding stand. They're hard to use. You have to go to this first step, go all the way around. This general area is 5 feet, if not shallower. And when I'm right here, we need these flags going across for our competitive swimmers. They're extremely hard to take down and put back up. It just really can't be done. My leg is catching it right here, right now. There's just a lot of inherent risks, which is why we just don't use them.
Okay, we're standing outside of door 18, which is our primary entrance for all pool activity. This building has no way to secure the public from our staff and students. They'll pass this stairwell, which is open to the school. Part of my role is to make sure that the building stays safe and secure. And when you're intermingling the public with staff and students, there's a heightened level of security that we have to maintain.